Welcome everybody, it's Ramchandra from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS CONCEPTS CHANNel, and I had released SSC JE MCQ 1 just now, and now I am releasing SSC JE MCQ 2, which is comprising of 10 questions and with all the explanations, so that you will be benefited from the questions and also the type of explanations I give, and this type of MCQs and lectures will be continuing till October SSC JE examination. Best of luck to everybody. It's Ramchandra, an IIT alumni from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. Welcome everybody. It's Ramchandra again from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts channel, and I will be taking up SSC JE MCQ 2 in fluid mechanics. And the first question is, the following method of analysis is followed for branched pipes connecting different reservoirs. Let us think, one reservoir is like this, and another reservoir is like this, and another reservoir is like this. To connect these reservoirs and to find out the flow among them and analyzing and designing the reservoir pipe connections, we use the Hardy-Cross method. It's a straightforward question. We use Hardy-Cross method. In this, HF, friction loss, is equal to R into Q to the power of N. This you remember in the Hardy-Cross method. Now, in an open channel flow, second question, friction is not important. In analyzing hydraulic jump in rapid, there are different types of flows in open channel flow: steady flow and unsteady flow. In steady flow, there will be uniform flow, non-uniform flow. And in non-uniform flow, gradually varied flow and rapidly varied flow. It is rapidly varied flow means non-uniform. This is also talking about non-uniform flow. Gradually varied means it is also non-uniform. In non-uniform flow, there are rapidly varied and gradually varied. Under the gradually varied, friction is important. Friction is important here. Hence, the answer C is wrong. And in rapidly varied flow, friction is not important. Yes, it is correct. And when friction is most important, it is also wrong. Friction is not important in analyzing the hydraulic jump in rapidly varied flow. It is answer is A. Here answer is C. Now let us go to the next section. The value of slide slope M for a most efficient trapezoidal section in open channel flow. Trapezoidal section will be like this. Trapezoidal section. This is Y. This is M. M is the slope and B is the width, and this is the water level. And in this, for most economical section, For a trapezoidal section, M efficient is equal to 1 by root 3. If slope M is equal to 1 by root 3, then the section will be most efficient. You please remember this value. That is equal to 0.577. Answer is C. Next, in an open channel flow, the hydraulic jump is weak. There are different types of hydraulic jumps: undular jump, weak jump, oscillating jump. Various types of hydraulic jumps are there. For a weak jump, (1.7) is less than Froude number is less than or equal to 2.5. This option is not there, hence answer is none of the above. In the next section, question number 5, in a hydraulic jump, the sequent depths. Whenever hydraulic jump takes place, this will be like this. Whenever hydraulic jump takes place, this will be like this. Depth versus energy. In a hydraulic jump, the sequent depths occur on either side of the jump. In a hydraulic jump, the sequent depths occur on either side of the jump. Next question. In a broad crusted weir, it implies occurrence of critical depths. It's like this. Broad crusted weir. This is the water level. This is YT. This is another water level. In the occurrence of critical depths. Critical depths occur like this in a broad crusted weir. Next question. The flow coefficient of a flow nozzle. Like we have discussed in the MCQ 1, the flow coefficient is a manufacturer's value. It comes from the particular way of manufacturing of the nozzle or orifice. The flow coefficient of a flow nozzle is independent of Reynolds number and is function of A2 by A1. This is equal to, for a nozzle, KF. The answer is ratio of cross-sectional areas. Next, the coefficient of contraction of a venturimeter. The coefficient of contraction of a venturimeter is in the range of 0.98. Hence, answer is not available. 1. Coefficient of contraction of a venturimeter is not 0.98, it is 1.0 rather. And hence it is not available in the options. None of the above. Next, 9th question. The Rebock formula for rectangular vias. There are rectangular vias, there is a Rebock formula. That formula is CD is equal to 0.611 plus 0.075 H1 by P is valid for H by P less than or equal to 5. H by P or H1 by P. Answer is C. Thin plate vias are usually called as notches. Thin plate vias like this. The standard of the questions at par with SSC JE are made. Around 20 questions I have given you, MCQ 1 and MCQ 2. With this, you can understand the standard of the MCQs being given by me, and also standard of the MCQs and their explanations being discussed by me. And it's about fluid mechanics, and I will be starting from next day onwards the main theory for discussing the fluid mechanics, environmental engineering first. Best of luck to everybody. It's Ramchandra again from CIVIL-MECH-MATHS CONCEPTS. And if you feel my MCQs are good, my lectures are good, kindly view them, review them and comment for improvement, and also subscribe to my channel CIVIL-MECH Concepts, CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. My channel is CIVIL-MECH-MATHS Concepts. My name is Ramchandra. Please feel free to discuss with me and I will reply to your comments. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me.